Welcome back to Newswatch 10. We have quite the storm headed towards the south and east, but take a look at this temperature map right now. You would not believe today that we have a major winter storm headed for the south and east. Look at this. We have temperatures in the 50s and 60s, quite warm out there. The southerly winds that came in ahead of this frontal boundary that's going to be moving through tonight really brought up some warm air, a little warmer than what we were thinking. Instead of temperatures making it into the lower 40s, we got way up into the mid 50s out there. And so I hope you enjoyed it today, though, because there are going to be some big changes as soon as actually tomorrow, where we're going to see temperatures cooling off quite a bit. We're only looking at highs struggling to get above freezing tomorrow with strong northwesterly winds. So don't get used to these mid 50s, but a very nice treat there for us. 52, 54 degrees here in the city today after a morning low of 32. But take a look at the national map. You'll be able to see all that cold air to the north. Look at those whites and pinks up there in Canada and stretching in the northern plains. That is some very cold Arctic air, and that is on its way to the south behind this front that's moving through the night. You can see this front now increasing some scattered showers just off to our north and west. And this activity will actually move through tonight. And what this activity will do will bring us a few rain showers. And then as temperatures get cold enough later on tonight toward tomorrow morning, we could see a few snowflakes mixing in. But again, this won't be the big deal or a big storm here for us, but it will be something that we will watch overnight tonight. So a little precipitation overnight tonight, a little rain, a little snow, and then quiet for Saturday and the first half of Sunday. This will be the time to get what you need done. If you need to run to the store, this will be a good time to do that. Maybe get your car checked out, make sure it's all winterized and everything, because we do have quite the big storm headed this way, a major snowstorm headed this way as towards Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. So let's take a look at the outlook. And let's break this down and tell you what we're expecting and why we're expecting it here. So as we check it out, you can see first off on the regional radar picture, the system diving in from the north and west, and it's going to be backing into the area. This system is what's going to bring the cold air. Behind that, we'll bring in some cold air. So that's system number one. You can see it really rotating across the northeast part of the country, bringing in that cold air. Now you see the clouds returning over Texas right now. That's the beginnings of our next system moving into northern Mexico right now. That's the storm system that's going to bring us our major winter storm, but it's going to move down through Texas and into the Gulf of Mexico and then lift north and east along the Gulf Coast, bringing us plenty of moisture. So for tonight, that system scoots out, maybe a sprinkle or a flurry, and then it gets out of the way. And then look at this, by Sunday morning, our big system is developing over Texas and Louisiana, and that will be spreading north and east into some cold air that we'll have over our area. And as it does so, it brings plenty of moisture, plenty of cold air. Looks like a major ice storm for areas south of I-20, from south of Birmingham, south of Atlanta, around Macon, Columbus, Georgia, and then south, and then around basically the Tennessee Valley areas. We're looking at anywhere from quite a bit of snowfall possibly heading this way. So the National Weather Service, well in advance of this system, has already put out winter storm watches. Again, we're expecting quite a bit of snow coming up Sunday night into Monday. So light snow moves in late evening Sunday. Snow picks up as we get towards and gets heavy around midnight. Some sleet may mix in toward morning. Snow and sleet tapers off by midday Monday. Accumulations could be quite treacherous out there. Right now we're going with about 5 to 10 inches across northwest Georgia as a average. Some areas will see more than that, so closer to a foot probably as you head towards the higher elevation. So rain showers this evening, maybe a few snowflakes today, not a big deal. 29, 35 tomorrow, partly cloudy, much colder and windy as well. And then Monday, quite a bit of snow headed this way. Again, 5 to 10 inches here locally. Higher elevations in some areas will see more than that and could be close to a foot. Let's look at your forecast now. Stay with us. More news, sports, and weather coming up.